Hello everybody, welcome back to Sip and App. Today's recipe is for all my protein conscious guests out there, grilled chicken nuggets that are juicy, flavorful, and shockingly easy to make. These are not deep fried, which means they're healthier, but trust me, there's absolutely no sacrifice when it comes to flavor. If you're someone who loves those grilled chicken nuggets from a certain fast food place but doesn't love all those additives and mystery ingredients, this recipe is for you. In fact, I think mine are even better, and so let me show you how to make them. We're going to start by gathering these ingredients for the brine. And as always, the exact measurements are listed in the description box below. You probably noticed a few Asian pantry staples like soy sauce and miso paste, but don't worry, they won't taste anything like Chinese takeout chicken at all. I created this recipe to bring out that complex umami flavor by only using natural, readily available ingredients. So after adding them into a large bowl, give it a good whisk until everything is dissolved and well combined. Once the brine is ready, trim any excess fat off your chicken and submerge them in the mixture. I'm using chicken thighs today for the maximum juiciness and tenderness, but the breasts actually work just as well. Now cover and marinate in the fridge for at least 6 to 8 hours, or overnight if you can. If you happen to be pressed for time, you can cut the chicken into smaller bite pieces now and marinate just for a few hours before cooking. When you're ready to cook, remove the chicken from the marinade and drain off any excess liquid. The next step is really important. Pat the chicken dry using paper towels. This helps the exterior get that gorgeous char we're going for. Then spray or brush all sides with oil and cook until nicely charred and fully cooked through. Now that we're ready to cook, if you're using an air fryer, oven broiler, or griddle pan, go ahead and cut the chicken into nugget-sized pieces first. I air fried mine at 425 degrees for about 2 to 3 minutes per side, but every machine is different, so keep an eye on them and make sure the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. And if available, a gas or charcoal grill will give you the best flavor and texture. Just make sure to lightly coat both sides with oil. And once you finish grilling, rest the meat for a few minutes, then cut into bite-sized nuggets right before serving. There you have it. These nuggets are so juicy and flavorful on their own, they don't really need a dipping sauce, but no one is going to be mad if you serve them with honey mustard or your favorite hot sauce. Whether you're meal prepping, entertaining, or just looking for a high-protein snack that doesn't taste like diet food, these grilled nuggets are going to be a hit. And yes, people will be asking for the recipe. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and share for more flavorful finger food ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers!